What if I told you you could build a full website just by telling an AI what you want? Like magic. Sounds wild, right? But guess what? It's real, and it just got way better. Welcome to Hustle AI, the place where we play with the coolest tools that help you build faster, dream bigger, and work smarter. Today we've got huge news that's going to change the way you build things online. The team at Biela.dev just dropped a bunch of awesome new features, and they might just blow your mind. Think faster loading, smarter AIs, easier teamwork, and a way to connect everything like building blocks. Let's jump in. Let's start with something big. Biela built their own web container. A web container is like a special room where your website runs. Before, Biela used a room made by someone else. Now they made their own. Why is that important? Well, it runs faster, your websites open more quickly, it's more secure since it's built by Biela, it's better protected, it's easier to use, everything works more smoothly since it's made just for this. Most tools still use someone else's system, but Biela took the time to build their own. That shows that they really care about doing things right. Here's a feature that gives you more control and it's really smart. Biela now lets you choose which AI helps you build your project. You can pick between two powerful AIs, Claude or Gemini. Each one is good at different things. Claude is great at thinking through tricky problems, while Gemini is better at being creative, like when you want to design something nice. It's kinda like picking the right helper for the job. Need help writing clear steps? Claude can do that. Want fun ideas or cool designs? Gemini is your pick. You also get 1 million tokens to use. Think of tokens like AI energy. The more you have, the more work the AI can do for you. And the best part? You can switch between the two whenever you want. That means you always have the best AI for whatever you're building. Here's something a lot of people will love, especially if you care about how your website looks. You can now upload your images directly into your Biela project. That means you can easily add your logo, your product photos, or your custom pictures or illustrations. Then you can make things look exactly how you want. Want your website to match your brand or style? Now you can. Building something by yourself can be fun, but sometimes it's even better with help. Biela now lets you share your projects with other people. This means you and a teammate can work on the same project. You can show your project to a client, or you can ask a friend for feedback. It's kind of like working on a group project at school, but online. And way cooler. Everyone can see the same thing, make changes and help out. This is perfect if you work with a team, build websites for others, or just want to show off what you made. This next part is super useful if you're building more than one thing at a time. Biela now lets you connect more than one project to the same database using Superbase. Now wait, what's a database? A database is like a giant online notebook that stores all your important info like user accounts, messages, photos, or pretty much anything else that your app needs to remember. Superbase is a tool that helps manage this notebook. It's kind of like Google Sheets, but much more powerful and made just for apps. So what exactly does this new feature do? Imagine you're building two apps, one for your customers to use and the other one for you and your team to manage everything behind the scenes. With this update, both apps can share the same data. You don't have to copy anything between them. It all stays connected. This saves time and keeps everything organized. Okay, now let's talk money, because tools are great, but you also want to know what they cost, right? Biela has 3 plans you can pick from, depending on what you need. You can pay every month or save money by paying once a year. You get 10% off that way. Number 1 is Launchpad. It's $29 per month or $313 a year. This is the starter plan. You get 10 million tokens, that's lots of AI power. You get the main AI tools, Claude and Gemini, a standard workspace to build your apps, connect your project to Superbase, share projects and launch them online. It's great if you're just getting started or you want to try things out. The second one is Creator Plus. This one is $59 a month or $637 a year. This one gives you everything in Launchpad, plus instead of 10 million tokens you get 24 million tokens, more power for bigger projects. You can build more websites, about 7 presentation sites, you get faster support and a large memory window for the AI, which basically means that the AI will remember more. Good if you want to do more or need extra help. The third one is Visionary Pro, which is about $3,000 a month or $32,390 a year. This one is for serious builders like businesses. It gives you a huge amount of tokens, about 1 billion tokens of AI power, a real human CTO to help you with your project, early access to new features, and promotion inside the Biela community. This plan is more like having a tech team on your side. No matter which plan you pick, you get the core tools: Supabase connection, project sharing, custom domains. This plan is more like having a tech team on your side. No matter which plan you pick, you get the core tools like Supabase connection, project sharing, and custom domains. Biela is growing really fast, and they're adding really smart features that make building websites and apps easier than ever. They're not just adding random stuff. You can tell their team really understands what creators and freelancers and teams need to work better. If you want to build things faster, try powerful AI tools, or work with friends or clients easily, then Biela is 100% worth checking out. Which feature did you like the most? Was it the faster workspace or the ability to choose your AI? Let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear your thoughts. And if you've already used Biela, tell us what you built. You might inspire someone else in the community. Don't forget to like the video if it helped you, subscribe for more tips on AI tools and smart tech, and turn on the bell notification so you don't miss what's coming next. Want to build something together? If you want to see me build something cool live using Biela, say so in the comments. If enough of you ask, I'll do a real-time build so you can follow along and see how it all works. This is Hustle AI Lab signing off. Keep learning, keep building, and most of all, keep hustling.